What is up, everybody? Mr. Dub, Bay State Breakers here. Hope everyone's having a good week, or as good as it possibly can in this wonderful year of 2020. But it is that time, once again, my favorite time of the month, the time for the Rookie Card Explosion Box by my friend, Mr. Philmington. We are on batch 24. It's been a long time coming, and I forgot to upload last month's video, so you're going to see this month's and last month's uploaded probably simultaneously. So, as always, we'll go over our little list here. Here's all of Phil's info. How to get a hold of the box on the website. There's YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as usual. I don't know if he has any one-time exclusives for this month, but just follow his social media and you will find out. All right, let's see what we got this month. We have 81 Don Russ from a sealed box that was BBC authenticated. A 2014 Bowman Draft, 2015 Topps Chrome, 15 Topps Update, 16 Update Mega Retail, 17 Topps Update, 19 Bowman Retail, 19 Heritage High Number, 20 Chrome, 20 Heritage, and 20 Update. All right, put my little list over to the side. Have my key rookies ready to go. And as always, I like to start oldest to newest. So 81, Tim Raines and Mr. Danny Ainge. Someone you wouldn't expect to be looking for in this. A basketball player, but he did have a baseball card because I forget who he was a rookie for. But look at that. Back-to-back Darryl Jacksons. This one's got the gum. Yeah, that gum ain't coming off. Whatever. All right. They gave me a second one to replace the first one, looks like. All right. Put those over there. Doug Corbett. Jesus Figueroa. Doug Corbett again. Another Darryl Jackson. Darryl Jackson. Doug Corbett. Jason, something's wrong with this pack. I don't know, Phil. You might want to contact BBCE. I don't know. Whatever. I really don't care about that pack to begin with. All right. 14 Bowman Draft. We are looking for Eloy, Rafael Devers, Matt Chapman, Trey Turner, Chris Bryant, Ryan Yarborough, Tyler Naquin. We have a Chrome of Devin Travis. That's a weird refractor of Emil Tapia, Ian Clarkin, Aaron Brown, Mason Williams. All right. So, next up, 15 Chrome, Francisco Lindor, Carlos Correa, Javier Baez, Chris Bryant, Brian Buxton, Joey Gallo, and Noah Syndergaard. So we got Tanaka, we got Freddie Freeman, X-Factor, I believe. Phil Hughes, boo you. And Xavier Scruggs. Should I send this over to Phil's Pulls? See if he'll sign it for me? Interesting channel. Definitely open some products that I'd never be able to open. So, all right. 15 Update. Lindor, Correa, Buxton, Bryant, Gallo, Syndergaard, and a couple others. Justin Bohr, Donovan Solano, Miguel Castro, Michael Walker. We got an insert of Hoyt Wilhelm, Jonathan Herrera, dual rookie of Danny Dorn and Daryl Cicilline, Miguel Cabrera. There we go. Byron Buxton. Sorry. So we got one. Not bad. So far, so good. All right. Next up, we have 2016 Topps Chrome Update. Trevor Story, Julio Urias, Blake Snell, Corey Seager, Michael Conforto. All right. We got Zach Britton, Yonder Alonso, AJ Reed, Colin Moran. I remember when he used to be a big name. He was a highly touted rookie at one point, but not anymore. All right, Paul Molitor, Edwin Diaz, Jose Barrios, and a Robert Stevenson. I thought this kid was supposed to be good too. I don't remember. No, so many rookies come and go that you think are going to be good and they aren't. All right, 17 update: Cody Bellinger, Matt Chapman, Luke Voigt, Yoan Moncada, Aaron Judge, Bregman, Castillo, and Hader. Boog Powell, great name. Lisilverto Bonilla, Michael Martinez, Wilson Ramos, Kenyon Middleton, Nefertali Feliz, that is a foil. Rajat Davis, Luis Severino, Bryce Harper, and George Springer. 19 Bowman. We're looking for Wander Franco's the big one here, but we also got Julio Rodriguez, Marco Luciano, Joey Bart, Freudis Nova, Noelvi Marte, Orvis Martinez. I don't know some of these names, and Seth Beer. All right, Kershaw, Rosario, Longoria, Willie Adames, Juan Soto, Whit Merrifield. There you go. I like these cards. Juan Soto. These are throwbacks, too. I'll call that a hit. Daniel Johnson, Jordan Adams. I'll just skip over one. Jesus Luzardo, Ronnie Mauricio, and Dean Dunning. So far, we only got the one rookie we're looking for. Hopefully, we'll turn it around here with the Heritage High number. We're looking for Tatis, Guerrero, Eloy, Pete Alonso, Keston Huria, Austin Riley, Keyboom, Brendan Rodgers, Paddock, and Mike Yastrzemski. Local boy. All right. Troy Tulowitzki, Jeremy Hellickson, Patrick Corbin, Dylan Shields. Scratch offs. Apparently, you can get autos inside these. I did not know that. I saw that one of them pulled today on a break. Go check them if you got them. Jerkson Profile, Kyle Zimmer, Sonny Gray, Derek Dietrich. All right, coming down to the last three packs, the 2020s. Looking for Mr. Lubob, Luis Robert, however you want to pronounce it. Bo Bichette, Jordan Alvarez, Randy Rosarino, whose stock is probably falling now. Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux. That's about it. Trey Mancini. Speaking of the devil, Randy Rosarino. So we'll put it up there. All right. Gavin Lux. Double pack. And Ronald Acuna Jr. I was just in a break with one of my breakers. He did a player break of the Top Stadium Cup Chrome. And he pulled a Ronald Acuna Beam Team Auto 1 of 1. The thing was sick. Insane. Congrats to whoever hit that in that break. That was nuts. All right. Topps Heritage. One of my... I don't like this year's for some reason. But we're looking for the same guys, basically. Bo Bichette, Alvarez, Rosarina, Kyle Lewis, Gavin Lux. There's Josh Hader. Tim Anderson, DJ Mayhew, Moncada, Severino. Not Louis Severino, but Pedro Severino. Brian Reynolds, Steve Metz, Brandon Belt, and Brendan Rodgers, and Domingo Santana. So double check those. All right, final pack. 2020 update. Basically just a Rosarina and Trent Grisham, along with some debut rookies. So we have a Houston Merrill Petite, Chris Sale, Kyle Crick, Albert Pujols, Steve Cishek. We have Battery Bath. Martin receives a cold bath from Bueller. Jalen Beeks. Ryan Howard. Got a Miguel Cabrera. All-Star game. Dave Winfield. Bryce Wilson. Alex Reyes. Daniel DeCastro. And we end with an Asdrubal Cabrera. So, we did get we got 3 rookies that we were looking for and a Soto that I like. So, here's what we got. The Soto insert. We have the Rosarina rookie from 2020 Chrome. The Gavin Lux 35th anniversary rookie from Chrome. And then we have the Buxton rookie. It's probably the best one out of the group. So there you go, guys. Look forward to seeing all your videos when you get them up. And until next time, keep on collecting. Great job from Phil again. I always look forward to this, whether or not I get insane pulls or not. He does a great job. Great product. I just love opening stuff, and it's a multitude of different packs, so it's fun. So here's his info once again, as always. And thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone. And until next time, keep on collecting. Bye.